Hey, it's Todd Walters. Want to talk to you about coming up on Thursday, the Income Increase Workshop. That's March 5th now. We're going to start at 10 a.m. Here's a quick preview of your online marketing system, or at least what could be with it. All right, so let me walk you through it. You ready for that? Yeah, this is going to be pretty sweet. Let me show it to you. All right, so before I walk you through that, real quickly, go serve big. Hope your day's going great. Looking forward to seeing you Thursday, March 5th, 10 a.m. sharp. We're going to go from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And there are six systems, six boxes that we're going to be able to get into that day. And all six of these are pretty much make up the same system that I used right here in this town to sell over 500 homes a year, retire from selling real estate at age 39. I didn't go insane. All right, I'm 52. I just turned 52, and I'm having a great time. All right, so I love sharing what works to help you increase your income by 300% or more without you giving up your personal life to do it. All right, so this is the invite you should have received right there. You can see that. Okay, Income Increase Workshop, and March 5th, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. I'm going to be there. Going to have some special guests there as well. Lunch is provided. This is free. Their sponsors are paying for it. Obviously, New American, we're using their building. And that's over on Glen Ridge, right there at the top of 285 and 400 area, right in there. Okay. All right. So let's get back to the, let's get right back to the diagram, and I want to walk you through this. Okay. Okay. So I want you to write this word down. Again, this is, I don't know, 3 minutes here. Got 3 minutes? All right. Omnipresence. Your number one problem when you make the decision to grow your real estate business beyond where you are right now, when you make that decision, your number one problem that you have to solve is obscurity. There's just simply just not enough people. There's just not enough people that know who you are for you to be able to accomplish and sell the number of homes that you want to sell, whatever your vision is. Again, once you make the decision to do more, I'm assuming that you have a number on what that more is. Okay. And if not, I'm going to help you on that at the Income Increase Workshop. But one more time, biggest problem, not enough people know who you are. Okay. So let me give you the system for escaping what I call obscurity. Okay. I call it the Omnipresence Marketing Strategy. Okay. You can be everywhere all the time, but you can't be boring, right? And it has to be beneficial and valuable for the customer. Okay. So what you're looking at right here is the system for an online marketing system, online marketing blitz, if you want to call it that. So if we went all the way around the hub here, you see we got SEO at 12 o'clock, you got social media platforms, you got remarketing, you have your websites and landing pages. YouTube and Google are not social media marketing platforms, okay? But you can do marketing and paid ads, obviously, on both of those. And you have some general ideas about all of these things. But when we get together on Thursday, I'm going to zero in on the social media part of this because it's free. And there really are no excuses for not generating massive amounts of leads from free. The only reason it wouldn't happen for someone is they just don't know what to offer, or the offers are not beneficial to the vast numbers of people that are seeing them. And how often do they need to see them? So I'm going to walk you through the offers to be making. Okay, so more traffic comes to you. Now, here's a quick clue on this. Okay, you may want to write this down. This is good. Okay, use the 80-20 rule. Okay, that's the rule that I apply, and the agents that are using the system that you're going to be seeing apply as well. Okay, 80-20 rule. 80% of your content creates goodwill by being helpful and friendly. Did you get that? 80% of your content creates goodwill by being helpful and friendly. 20% of your content can sell. In other words, make offers using direct response marketing. And that rule applies in the social media hub. But over here in the remarketing hub, my recommendation is always unique selling proposition, USP marketing. Okay, I'm going to stop there because you're like, what is all these things Todd's talking about? All right, here's what you got to do. You got to show up on Thursday at the Income Increase Workshop. It will be worth your while. You're going to see the system that the agents that are scaling their business at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, you're going to see what they're using. You're not going to have any questions when we're done, but you will be super excited, more knowledgeable. Then we just got to bridge the gap on between knowing and doing. You got that? That's right. We got to bridge the gap between knowing and doing. And trust me, there is a gap between knowing what to do and actually getting it done. Okay? So why don't you join me? There's the invitation that you got for Thursday, March 5th, 2020, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Right around the corner, Georgia 400 285, Glen Ridge Drive. Okay? Hit us up if you have questions about where to go and and what to do. But this is free. That means sponsors are covering it. Yay! And lunch is provided, so that way we can get more work done. And it's an income increase workshop. It's exclusively for people like you that have been identified as someone who wants to scale their business. You want to go from where you are now to more, but without giving up your personal life to do it. Okay? All right. Looking forward to working with you then. And until then, go serve big. Thanks. See you.